Hey Dad, hey Greg, hey everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate everybody coming back. Today I'm going to get started on removing the dash. Get all the parts that I can taken out of that thing so I can push it out and get it pressure washed. I'll get the gauges out, get as much of the wiring harness out as I can. I think I can disconnect that from the fuse box and pull all that wiring out. Get all the HVAC, well, I guess it's just heating and ventilation in this car. Get those things taken out of there. See how bad they are, see if they work at all. Get all that stuff removed so that I can pressure wash and clean everything up and not have to worry about maybe being able to save something that I drench with water. So I'll leave the steering column in it for right now, just for ease of steering it while I'm trying to push it out. I don't want to be trying to push it out and having to kick the tires and all that stuff. So I'll leave the steering column in it for now. I don't think it's going to hurt anything to get that a little bit wet. It's probably not the first time it's been wet since it is a convertible. I will get started on the dash and I hope everybody enjoys, and let's go see what we can do. Thanks. That is a bone. I guess a rat dragged that in here. Okay. Okay, I never knew this about the Camaro. This little hole right here, this was a screw hole. But this little hole right here, I don't know if you can see it or not. When this light came on, this little lens cover, little red lens cover was on there, and you saw it through this little hole right here above between the speedometer and the fuel gauge. Never knew that. I guess mine didn't work on the other car. There's what's left of the wiring harness, what the rats didn't eat. It's pretty sad shape. I think if you did hook a battery to it, probably would have burned it to the ground. Lots of nastiness. Those were chewed. There were some other ones that were chewed pretty bad. So this is one of the ones that was in the trunk. It was chewed, but it'll get a new one. That'll make everything all better. I got the dash pad off, and it was about like I thought it would be. Trying to find the fasteners and trying to get to them and not being able to get to them very easily. So, but I did get that out. Now I have to get in here and I believe just take that one screw out. There's another screw right over there that I have to take out. I've already taken the speaker out. It wasn't in terrible shape, but it looks like a little bit of rust back there. But it's pretty typical with this car. So, all right. So that's the ducting for the heat and ventilation. So I'll go ahead and get that out too. Well, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Got a lot of work done. Got the heating and ventilation stuff taken out of it. Got the ducting out from under the dash. I got the speedometer and the speedometer cable. Got the parking brake and the parking brake cable taken out. Got just windshield wiper motor taken off. The windshield wiper arms and stuff taken out. Just did a lot of work. It took a long time to get to that stuff and trying to avoid all the rat crap that was underneath the dash there too. Must have been a good hiding space for them. And a bone. Don't know why there was a bone in there. They must have dragged a bone in there while they were foraging for food. But like I said, got a lot of stuff done. Dash pad's gone. May pull the windshield out before I push it out and pressure wash it, but I may leave it in there. I haven't decided yet. Just depends on how much time I have before I get the time and the weather to push this thing out and get it pressure washed. I hope you're enjoying watching the videos. I am enjoying making them and enjoying working on the car. So if you are enjoying them, hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button. It helps out, and leave comments. I've had a few comments, and I enjoy reading them, and I enjoy the encouragement. So I appreciate everybody being here, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.